Find the area of the region bounded by the curve, quadratic, concave upward, and quadratic concave downward, as this quadratic is negative. So when you're having a quadratic concave outward, from here we can find out the roots. Graph senyum. So when you factorize, you can notice that your roots x0 and x5, it will help us to draw the quadratic at the correct place. Meanwhile, for another here, negative x squared minus 25, let us factorize this. Let us find the roots. We can let it equals to 0. So when you let it equals to 0, you can notice that this is x minus 5, x plus 5. So your roots happen at 5 and negative 5. So satu senyum, satu masam. Then we can draw the graph. Label your x-axis, label your y-axis. So I can draw this negative x squared plus 25. 5 and negative 5 means it will be at the center here. Symmetry at y-axis. Here, negative 5. Here, 5. So label this is y equals to negative x squared plus 25. The second graph. Then the first graph, the roots will be at 0 and 5. So make sure your graph go to 0, pass through 0 and up to 5. So this is y equals to x squared minus 5x. So region bounded by two curves. You can notice that the questions here, region bounded by this curve and this curve. So two curve concept vertically. We are going to find this region using dx. So area will be integrated from lower limit up to upper limit. The curve above minus the curve below. So y1 minus y2 dx. Two curve concept. Dollar. Okay, so you can see our limit here. We can see here is fine, but this one we haven't found it yet. So we have to find out what is your limit here. From intersection, we find out what is this value. Intersection point. Y equals to x squared minus 5x, equation 1. Y equals to negative x squared plus 25, equation 2. When we substitute, we find out this, what's the intersection point. So quadratic, we move everything to the left hand side. Plus 5x plus 25. We want to factorize, simplify this quadratic, become positive first. Then we factorize, find out the intersection point. So 2x, x, 5, 5, 10, negative 10 plus 5. So your coordinate negative 5 over 2, another is 5. So you know that this negative 5 over 2. Your intersection start with negative 5 over 2 up to 5. So now we perform our area. Find the area. Integrate from lower limit negative 5 over 2 here up to, straight away we can up to 5. Two curve concept. So the curve above it, which is this blue color curve, negative x squared plus 25, minus the curve below, which is the green color quadratic here, x squared minus 5x dx. Okay, so we simplify our function here so that we can start integrate. Negative, negative, negative 2x squared, and then plus 5x plus 25. Integrate using your formula. Power plus 1 over new power. Put in bracket. Upper limit 5, lower limit negative 5 over 2. Then again, substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Minus lower limit. Relate using your calculator, then we put a unit square.